So we can fly over a field and we can then come up with all the areas that have high salinity rates, and we can target those areas because those areas stunt crop growth, but they're amazing for weeds, right? So that is an amazing use case for us using targeted treatments. So we're not even targeting weeds, we're targeting the root cause of weeds before they actually happen. So that's a proactive approach. Then there's the simple matter of finding umbrella sedge or other weeds in your crops. So rather than spraying the entire field, we can highlight the areas in the field with just those specific weeds and target those. So the process requires 2 flights. We go over, we do the data capture, or you capture the data yourself. And then once the imagery is processed, those files get plugged directly into your controller, and then you go out and you spray. So what I thought I would do is, Jonathan and I were talking about, what examples could we bring to the table? And what I'm going to do right here, as Jonathan was talking about the weather, I thought I would share this one example here.